Life wastes itself while we prepare to live. It's good to see you're happy and had a safe return from your holiday in Thailand.
Yeah, had some pleasant, enjoyable experience abroad that's got to stay with me forever. It'd be bad.
Perhaps it's good to have a beautiful memory, but an even greater gift is to rediscover a beautiful energy. You look totally exhausted. You need to spend some time detoxing at the Recoup Farm, Turkey Man.
Hey, this be true, ain't he? Feeling slightly wetted after my nightly agent, cause it's so cool, bro, so cool. My doji could be Turkey Man, and I'm an addict to bubbles.
Tonight's headlines are Thailand in a continent of trouble after recent bird flu outbreaks. Bird flu outbreaks. Bird flu outbreaks. Bird flu outbreaks. Bird flu outbreaks.
Now that's just way downright too tripping for me, man.
Hey, Turkey Man, what's going on?
Oh, what's with the big G taking the wings out of the picture? Be whacking them, smacking them. Jeez, man, I'd be one of them wings to be whacking.
Remain calm, Turkey Man. Use your inner strength. And remember, I will never leave you. Quit your gobbling. I'm trying to think. Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that can change your life forever. Turkey Man contracted the bird flu in Thailand from those floozies, but was not affected. Instead, acted as a carrier and has infected all the birds at the Recoup Farm. What a dilemma!
Hey, Captain, where we are then?
The end may be near, but we will survive these hardships and live to see another day. I'm taking you to a really big freezer, where I'll trick you into going in and snap freeze you until I can think of a better solution to stopping the spreading of bird flu.
Captain, you sure Leprechaun told you to hide all the pots of gold from the ends of the rainbow in here?
Sometimes a personal sacrifice for the greater good rewards the soul in ways all the riches in the world never can. A bit further, then I'll close the door.
I
had only walked 10 meters, but the guilt of leaving my best friend frozen behind me made it feel like a lifetime. A lifetime that'll last forever. 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 I have a temporary remedy for the bird flu. Cat, and his little red hat, hanging with his talking about who would have had before. He's a hero, he's your friend, he'll be there until the end. His stuff is cute, his tough, and his fast. It's definitely gonna last.